Hey, it's Neewham. We're coming at you with the 513 Tech Minute. So that is what we got going on today. A lot of people have asked me about HyperDocs. How do I use them? How do I make them? What are they? So I wanted to give two examples. They're actually both from last year, so I've made some updates along the way. But these are most in line with the concept of what a HyperDoc should be, instead of just being a place to hold your links. So here's one for, this was a sub plan, as you can see, for January 13th last year. I don't remember why I was out, but apparently I was. Start just as you would with any lesson. Objective. I can demonstrate understanding of volcanoes and demonstrate skills in CER. Now for myself, usually I have a vlog at the start of class. I did not create a vlog for that day, so it just says no vlog today. One of the keys with the HyperDoc that you kind of want to understand, you want to go ahead and have a format to it going down, the left side, then the what and the details. That's kind of so students can follow along. At the time, I was still, and I recommend this early in the year, I was still early to my HyperDoc usage at this time. I explained what the colors actually meant. I make these a little brighter, easier to read now, but this was just kind of explaining what the colors actually meant. Here was their notes. They could click on this link. It would take them to the note sheet. Then they were writing a CER. Here was a video learning about CER, and then one to actually just straight up do CER. So the yellow meant slow down, take a look at this article. This was their article. They were reading about earthquakes hitting Puerto Rico from Newsela or Newsela, if you prefer that pronunciation. And then they actually had to stop. That's why it's red, and create their CER. We were still using Google Classroom last year, so I had the assignment posted there. And so this just linked straight to their Google Classroom pages. Then they had the option to take a look at this Quizlet study set. And I reminded them if they have questions or clarifications. Of course, many of you know I've changed that to questions, comments, concerns, anything for the good of the cause. If they clicked on this later, it would actually send me an email and then just a reminder to clean up the last 3 minutes. So that's a basic template for it. I used that for a sub day. You can use them when you're in person though too. Here's one I did for cheat day. It was an earthquake and volcano unit. Same thing, start with the objective. Then I had these just things you might have missed. Since it was cheat day, that's their opportunity to catch up any missing homework, do any study guides they might want to do, get as prepared as they can for the quiz. I just reminded them that notes are not graded. It's just a participation and a good study tool. Link to the Quizlet project that we were working on. And then same questions, comments, cleanup, and then just a reminder here at the end that the quiz was going to be the next day. That's the basic concept, and both of these are these two templates are shared out below in the video links and shared out in the email that I'm about to send to staff. That's what I've got for you for today. I try to keep these short. It is called the Tech Minute. So please continue to take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask. From my household to yours. We love you.